So hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a quick install / review on this Shanti's hair right here, honey. This is their 180 density 24-inch natural color curly wig, and I was loving this hair, so I had to come on here and do a review for y'all. So if y'all want to see how I get this look using the ball cap method, then stay tuned and let's get right into it.
Hey, y'all know I'm the fly ass, coolie, smoothie, y'all nigga doing this shit, bro. Yeah.
So getting right into it, we're going to start off with the ball cap method. We're going to take our stocking cap and pull it as low as it can go over our head, and then we're going to spray the got-to-be spray all over our hairline in layers, and making sure that we use a blow dryer or allow the layers to fully dry before we go in with our scissors. And then we're just going to cut around, our hairline, pulling the cap and just cutting off the excess. And then you're going to spray some got-to-be to seal like the edges if any of the edges are lifting. And then you're going to take some powder foundation so that your wig does not slip, honey. And then you're going to add the powder foundation all over the front of your cap so that everything blends seamlessly, and it looks like scalp. And then you're going to go ahead and go in with your got-to-be gel or whatever, you're going to use to install your wig. I use the black got-to-be gel for this. And put your wig on, tie it down with a scarf, wait till it dries again, and then go ahead and start cutting off that excess lace, trying to get as close to the hairline as possible. And you can use some extra got-to-be to seal the, edges to make sure everything is seamless. Once again, making sure everything is dry before you move on to the next step. And then you're gonna go ahead and start working on baby hairs. Not gonna lie, I am not good at doing baby hairs. I am still learning. I just kind of did this wig how I naturally do my own baby hairs: 2 swoops on the front, 2 swoops on the side, and I usually do one in the middle, but I ain't do it for this. And then we're gonna go ahead and tie that down and get started styling our hair. So y'all see what I'm doing now. I'm just adding water and brushing it through, and I'm gonna do this in layers to make sure that the hair is completely saturated, make sure everything's hydrated before we move on to adding our products. So I'm just gonna keep adding water and brushing through the hair until it's nice and soaked. And then you're going to go ahead and go in with your product. So I use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. I absolutely love this product and 100% recommend it. I've been using it for years. I love the way it smells. I always get compliments on how it smells, and it has your curls popping. So next I'm gonna go in with my gel, and this is just to seal everything low key and just keep everything crisp and tight and just clean. Y'all know what Eco Styler gel does. It just kind of really helps to define the curls, keeps everything set for the day. It's a great product as well. I recommend it. None of this is gonna make your hair white or anything like that. It's just gonna give you nice, defined, healthy looking hair. So yeah, and once you are done with all that, girl, that's it. It's done. Like I said, this is a really quick install, really quick review. I loved this hair. It definitely was true to length, true to density. It was so nice. I love the quality. Like I said, it's not like curly, it's more like a kinky curly hair, more like a wavy low key, and I love it. So yeah, if you guys want to know anything else about this wig, please check the description box down below. And thank you so much for watching. Follow all my social medias, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.